Hello, welcome to Proggy. So you have installed a brand new Firefox version in your PC and now you want to get rid of ads. So obviously you will need to install an ad blocker for that. So today we'll be showing you how to install AdBlock Plus in Firefox. So how to do it? Go to the application menu on the top right side, click on it, and then you have to go to add-ons and themes. And from here, click on this particular link. You can also directly type this link in your browser address bar also, but it's better to go from here. After opening up of this particular web page, go to the search box and type AdBlock Plus. So let's see what comes. So ensure that the icon as well as the name is exactly like what is shown here. Now to install this, just click on it. Click on Add to Firefox. A permission request will come. Click on Add. Asking for some donation, I think, which we can safely click No. And that's it. You might be wondering where this extension went. So it's just here. You have to click on this particular icon in the toolbar named as extensions. And after that, this will show up here. But you can permanently also pin it to the toolbar by clicking on this gear icon and clicking on pin to toolbar. Here it is. So this is activated and it is showing that it's working at present. So why not, let's do a test whether it's really working or not. So let's go to USA Today perhaps. I think it is working because as you can see, this banner, top ad banner, is blocked, and it is also showing you up the number of elements which has been blocked in this particular page. So kind of working. So thank you for watching Proggy. We will come up with a new video soon.